Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Can you use this in the winter? What I'm thinking right now is you cannot use this in the cold climate. So I got this log pile here that's sat for quite a while. It's all frozen together, but it'll do. We'll split it up and see what we can do. Seriously, just burn it up. Today I was going to do a 5-month review of my Harbor Freight electric log splitter. However, it's been in the pole barn and it's one of the coldest days of the year right now, and I'm powering it up, and what I'm finding is I'm blowing fuses in the pole barn. We have the old screw-in fuses in there. I hooked it up to a outlet on the house and it's tripping breakers. So I'm wondering, this unit must just be too cold. It's just not moving. Maybe there's a different hydraulic fluid you could put in it. I think that maybe if it was stored warm, it would work. I'm not positive. But anyways, this product has worked really well for me for the last 5 months. I've split a ginormous wood pile. I'm getting ready for maple syrup season, so that's going to be coming up soon. Head over to our channel, check it out. We have a lot more videos on this 5-ton Harbor Freight electric log splitter that you could check out. But I really thought that I'd be able to split some wood today. I got this trailer full and I'm just not seeing it. It's not going to happen. So leave a comment if you know. Is this just, I should have warmed it up beforehand? Should I have put it in the house and warmed it up? I don't know. So that's a shame. Yeah, I should have warmed it up, I guess. I'm wondering if the motor, the quad had a hard time starting. It's so darn cold. It's probably 8 degrees outside right now, maybe 10 degrees, who knows. I just thought, well, cool. What a good day to split some wood. And I thought, oh, I'll go split some wood, but obviously not going to be doing that today. Well, thank you for trying to watch this video today. I know it's not exactly what you wanted to see. Head over to my channel. I got a lot more videos there for you. If you could, please hit that thumbs up button. I know this video wasn't very great at all, but there is a lot more content, and I'm going to be using this splitter a lot more next year. But as for wintertime use, I could see that getting a little bit tricky. Now, if you have a heated pole barn, it might be a different story if you're in a warm climate. But for me, I usually just wheel this guy outside and I use it outside. It is what it is, and it's still a good product and I like it. I thought I could use it in the winter. So, well, thank you. Take care and have a great day.